how to hide one contact on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can hide a single or multiple contacts on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Apple or iPhone by default does not provide you a direct feature to hide contacts. So if I open the contacts application over here, one thing and one way that you can use to hide a specific contact is to simply change the name to something unrecognizable by others, because you certainly don't want to know that person has actually called you if you hand over the phone to someone. So let's say there is a specific contact that you actually want to hide. Just select them over here, just tap on the edit button. Instead of entering the real name, just enter any generic name that only you will be able to understand. That way other people won't be able to know who has actually called you. But obviously this is not a 100% solution, because Apple itself has not went ahead and then added this feature to their iOS device. But instead there is an alternative solution. So you can see how contacts work on iPhones, right? Basically they load from your Gmail account, from your Outlook account or your iCloud account, whichever email accounts that you've added. So what I would recommend you do is just add a dummy email. It could be Yahoo, it could be Gmail, it could be Hotmail, it could be Outlook, or even iCloud. Just add a dummy email and add all of the contacts that you want to hide to that specific email. So let's say you can see I have Gmail over here. If I select Gmail, in this case you can see the Gmail application. So what I will do is I'm basically going to just go ahead and then come back, and then I'm going to go ahead and then simply tap on all contacts. Then I'm going to tap on the new contact option, and then I'm going to select add to where. So over here I'll simply save this to my specific Gmail, right? So let's say you add them to your Gmail. What you want to do is you can actually hide all those contacts from your Gmail. Now to do that, all you have to do is open up settings, and once you open up settings, go to the option called mail, and once you go to mail, go to the option called account. Now what you want to do is, let's say all of the contacts were hidden in your Gmail, so just select Gmail, and all you have to do is just turn off the toggle next to contacts. This will actually go ahead and then turn off all those contacts, and then you should be able to go ahead and then successfully remove those contacts and hide them from your iPhone. This is simply it. But as I said, Apple doesn't provide you a generic way. The only thing I would personally recommend you do is just simply change the name of that person. Hopefully in the future, if they update it, we're going to make a video and update you on it. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.